My name is Carl Bjornsson. I'm CEO and co-founder of Heffring Marine. We are an Icelandic company focused on delivering AI-powered decision intelligence for marine vessels, focusing on survivability, safety, and enhanced efficiency across multiple spaces in maritime, with more and more interest growing in the unmanned space. But over the long term, we're building a layer of intelligence for what is the world's largest untapped vehicle fleet. And we're looking to tap into that opportunity that is the data-driven transformation of maritime. Our current system is for manned vessels, where we hook up our hardware on board in order to collect data on the motions of the craft, as well as all other equipment on board. With that, our system computes in real time with proprietary models what is the most efficient, safest speed for the vessel, always looking ahead, predicting upcoming conditions, and finding the optimum route, optimum heading, and optimum speed through any given environment. And we can do that on a fleet-wide level, delivering that information up to the fleet manager, technical manager, maintenance staff, so that they know at all times what their fleet is doing. And through our virtual fleet monitor, they can automate that process. That system is proven and has demonstrated that it can significantly reduce fuel consumption, lower impacts that can cause injuries, such as concussions or back damage to crew and passengers, and even reduce insurance for some of our customers. But we focus on making operations more efficient, making them safer, and making the asset itself, the vessel and the equipment on board, more capable in their operations. Our types of customers are search and rescue here in Iceland, in Norway, and Sweden, some of them with fleet-wide applications of our system. We also work with military, including in the United States, with the US Navy, as well as US Marine Corps and the Coast Guard. And in commercial, everything from pilotage to vessel builders, crew transfer, and fisheries. And we have collected a vast amount of data. All of these systems are streaming up data that we can use to develop more enhanced and more advanced versions of our solution, gaining insights from how exactly should a vessel be operated. And we've been very active in the last couple of years and been able to announce new partnerships, new customers, and the latest one being a partnership with Marine AI, a company focused on marine autonomy, where we're helping them advance their solution for offshore survivability. We operate in a number of different spaces, but these are large industries, and demand there is now being driven by technology, by AI, and the advance of autonomous systems. And with that, we have a product portfolio that stems from our original IMAS system, which has now grown into other versions, including for recreational and more advanced for military. And now with customers knocking on our doors asking to use that system in unmanned vessels, we're looking into deploying dedicated solutions for unmanned, making those vessels more capable and more intelligent when it comes to how they operate. We're three co-founders. We started this as a spin-off project from research that we were doing when working at an Icelandic boat builder, looking into how that vessel moves through the water and realizing that information should and could be made available to the operator and could eventually take over through dedicated solutions on operating the vessel more effectively. This year has started off well for us, with Q1 closing at about 500,000 in booked ARR, but we have an ambition to grow significantly over the coming years. We are in a fundraising round at the moment, but looking to go into a Series A next year, and we have a good group of professional investors already on board. So hope to speak to you further, and if there's any information you would like to hear beyond what I've gone through here or in the application, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks very much.